In this video, we are going to talk about Robert Kiyosaki top 6 passive income cash flow assets for 2023. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. Robert Kiyosaki, a financial educator, shares his latest views and top 6 recommendations for cash flowing investments to help you make additional earnings in 2023. The rich work for passive income, which bypasses taxes. Our schools are part of the problem. Passive income is something you receive without actively working for it. Investing in assets that produce cash flow rather than investments that only appreciate is the key to creating wealth and achieving financial freedom. The cash flow pattern of the poor are often known to lament that they live paycheck to paycheck. And they're not wrong. Most poor people have a cash flow pattern that looks like the one below. Income comes in the form of paycheck and promptly goes out to various expenses. If they're lucky, they can cover their expenses each month. If not, they take on debt, often in the form of credit card debt, which only makes them poorer and increases their monthly expenses. The only way they can get ahead is to get a higher paying job or another job, just to make ends meet. It's a very sad way to live. Number 6, real estate. Kiyosaki recommends investing in rental, commercial, and real estate investment trusts because they provide a steady income stream and build wealth over time. Despite its negative reputation, a rental property in a low-income neighborhood could earn a higher than average rent. If you don't have the capital to invest in real estate, you can still earn dividends by investing in REITs. Number 5, dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are a great way to bring about cash flow because they provide a steady revenue stream without requiring you to sell your share. Investing in the stock market can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but you need to analyze and invest in high-quality companies. Risk is who's looking back at you. If you think investing in real estate is risky, think again. Number 4, business. Business aids can be a great source of passive income if set up correctly. It can include ebooks, online courses, and other digital products that can be sold online. Investing in other people's businesses as a passive investor can provide a source of income without working in the industry actively. Kiyosaki started small with a small venture selling wallets when he was 9 and has built many successful businesses. Building an active earnings business requires commitment and patience, but can provide financial stability for years to come. Number 3, intellectual property. Intellectual property can be a source of passive income if you have valuable ideas, inventions, or creative works that you can protect legally. For example, a patent for the Post-it note can be sold for $12 million and continues to create earnings passively. Copyrights protect original creative works from being copied or distributed without permission. The Harry Potter series generates passive income for J. Rowling. Number 2, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is an alternative investment strategy that connects borrowers directly with investors through an online platform. Loans vary in terms of risk and interest rate, but they're all people that couldn't go to the bank. Peer-to-peer lending offers several advantages over conventional investment strategies, including higher returns, lower overhead costs, and a diversified portfolio. It also offers a socially responsible investment option. Several popular P2P lending platforms offer passive income opportunities for investors, including Lending Club, which has generated over $14 billion in returns for investors. Number 1, annuities. Annuities can be valuable to your retirement plan if you are worried about outliving your retirement savings. Annuities carry risks such as not keeping up with inflation and high fees, which can erode the value of the investment. Several types of annuities can be used as a source of passive income, including immediate pensions, deferred annuities, and variable annuities. If you are concerned about market volatility and outliving your savings, an annuity can provide a steady stream of revenue in retirement. However, it is essential to consider the risks and benefits of annuities before investing. Spread your portfolio with different cash-flowing equity to provide financial security for years. Do your research, consult with financial advisors, and carefully consider each investment before making a decision. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.